Hello. The Ups truck has brought us something. So we're going to do what's in the box. Do you know what's in the box?
Nope, and I don't think it rattles. And it rattles.
It rattles. Let's see what's in here. This is going to be a haul video. I'm letting young children use sharp equipment. Don't cut towards yourself.
I will not.
Just watch your leg. You're cutting towards yourself. Alright. I close the blade up.
Yay!
This is a Goodwill. This is from Goodwill. We got a container. This open, I think. Okay. Okay, can you slide that box over? Alright, it did not have a lid. The lid. Take that apart. Here's your brute strength. Uh-oh. There went a piece. Yeah. Pieces everywhere. Yeah, just don't cut yourself. There you go. Could you use any more tape? Oh, there went another piece. We're never going to find all the pieces that got strung around. Let me see this. Let me see those blades. Alright, we'll have to go find all those pieces that went.
Oh, cool.
It is Mario Karts. So we don't know what all is going to be in here. But this, I love the wonderful packing they do at Goodwill.
A 2x4.
It's not Lego. So this is a collection of some Connect sets. Don't know what's in here as far as being complete, but a lot of track for the Mario Kart. So this will take us a while to go through. We got some add-ons. Got a couple of Donkey Kong carts.
Oh, we got a Yoshi.
Is that so? This is to go with the other one you got. Want it?
Yeah, I want to sit on like a tree.
All right. So this was a 14-pound lot of various Connects, Mario Kart, and other sets. So check it out. You know, Goodwill, shopgoodwill.com. It's an auction site, and sometimes you can find some good deals. Sometimes you pay too much for stuff because you got to check the shipping. But this was a pretty decent deal. So got a lot of this track. So we look forward to going through all this. And anyway, that's our Lego. No, it's not Lego. It's Connects. I'm so used to saying Lego. It's a Connects haul. Thanks for watching.